Hey, Charlie? Who's that? Daisy, too. Say Mom, Dad, and Daisy. I just had to go over to the shower. Your brother had to come up and ask you first. Yeah, sure. Knock yourself out. Thanks. I don't usually drink at noon, but I'm going through a little bit of a rough patch. Well, that's why I get bourbon. My husband left me for a little bit.
You done?